So today we are going to make dosa and idli batter. So आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं इडली और डोसा बैटर. उसके लिए I have taken 1 cup of rice and 1 cup of urad dal. So the proportion you can take is equal, or ideally you should take more of dal so that it contains more of protein. So what I will do, 1 cup of rice, dal, I'll add some little more of dal and you just soak it for 6 to 7 hours. So I have taken 1 cup of rice and 1.5 cup of white urad dal. So after washing it properly, you just soak it for 6 to 7 hours. So this is after 6 to 7 hours. Both are properly soaked. I have rinsed with fresh water. Now we'll grind it. So just add and grind. You can add little water also. So it is little thick, so I'll add some water so that it can be grinded properly. You don't need to add much water, just little bit so that it can be. So it is done now. Add water accordingly, like if you feel it is very thick, then you add water. So it should be fine paste like this. Now we'll do the rice. Add rice in the grinder. Add little water. And to make your paste very fluffy and so that your idlis can be soft, add some soaked poha. This is flattened rice. I have soaked a handful of poha. You can add also boiled rice. So this will add the texture to your paste. So this is a very simple trick that you can do. So the mixture of rice and poha is done. Make sure that there are no lumps. So this batter is done. Now you have to mix this very properly and mix it properly. And now we have to leave this overnight. But I think for this mixture, this bowl is small because when this will ferment, it will take more space. So I will transfer it to another bowl, half of it. I think that is sufficient. So make sure that you have some space in your bowl so that it can come up. So now we'll cover it with some plate or some silver foil and then we'll leave it overnight and we'll check it tomorrow morning. So this is after overnight, and if you can see, it has fermented very well, and see how fluffy it is. So if you don't add this boiled rice or poha, then it is also fine. But if you want this kind of this fluffiness and the texture, then if you add poha and rice, your idli will become very soft. So this is done. So we can add some salt before making idli or dosa to it. And it is now ready to use. If it is too thick, you can add some water, but I think it's okay. So we'll just, I've already greased the idli tray. So I'll put this in the pan, and if you can see, the texture is really good and you will get very soft idli out of this. So this is how we make dosa and idli better. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.